in this mess? Where are my safety goggles? Where's my mask? Great. Now I'm going to be stuck with itchy eyes all day.
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Upgrade your workspace with the French Cleat triple hook holder, a versatile and durable storage solution designed to keep your essentials within easy reach. Perfect for hanging safety goggles, tool bags, aprons, jackets, and more, this 3D printed holder combines strength and functionality with a sleek, modern design. Built from high-grade PLA material, it's lightweight, yet tough enough for daily use. Designed specifically for 3/4-inch French cleat systems, it ensures a secure and effortless installation. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.